Hi everyone, my name is Jeff and this is Pacific Gardener. So today we're going to repot this golden barrel cactus. But let me show you first what this golden barrel looks like, especially the roots after we remove it from its nursery pot. I was really surprised to see that this is all the roots that I got from this golden barrel cactus. I mean, this is not enough. Then I also checked the soil to see if there are some roots that were left behind here, but I don't really see anything. So I am guessing that this is starting to go on the path of root rot, but it's not quite there yet. Two of the major causes of root rot on cacti are first, overwatering. The second one is poor soil drainage. To avoid that, I let the roots dry out for a week before planting it on a soil. So after a week, today we're now ready to plant this golden barrel cactus on this terracotta pot. And since this is a cactus which doesn't really like wet feet, I usually put some gravels at the bottom of the pot. The reason for that is to utilize a good drainage. And now we're going to put the soil. And the soil that I'm going to use is from Miracle Grow Garden Soil, which is intended for cactuses, palms, and citrus. This time, we want to make sure that the soil at the center is mounted instead of leveled for us to establish a good drainage. And what we want to do is to loosen up the soil a little bit in an area where the roots were supposed to be in place. So to avoid getting pricked by a spiny cactus like this golden barrel cactus, we're going to use a cloth, and what we want to do is just to wrap this cloth around this golden barrel cactus. Some people uses newspapers or carpet scraps, but for me, I prefer to use an old towel like this one. Then we're going to put it gently on the soil, just like this, and make sure that there's no roots peeking out on the sides. Also, before putting up the gravels on the top soil, we need to make sure that the cactus is in the center and aligned. And for the mulch, we cannot use organic or inorganic mulch, but what we can use are the rock mulch like gravels. Or for me, what I'm going to use right now are these volcanic rocks because it has a contrasting colors on the terracotta pot and the golden barrel cactus. So after we're done with the rock mulch, we don't need to water them immediately. It is best to wait for 3 days to a week, then that's the time we need to water them. I know it's different from other plants, but the reason for that is cactuses are usually prone to transplant shock, so we want to avoid that. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.